Like most people, my first trip to Florida was to Disney World when I was in the 5th grade. But my first trip to Florida visiting the natural areas was about 10 years ago, taking folks down there and exploring. And I fell in love with South Florida. There's a gentleness and a type of ecology that requires you to look at small things. There's no grand mountains, there's no glaciers melting, there's no huge vistas, but there is all these amazing creatures and plants that live in this environment that can produce so many different species. The unique nature of the Everglades in South Florida is represented by 300 plus species of birds, the alligators, the mangroves, the bromeliads and ghost orchids, a wide variety of amphibians and reptiles, one of the largest slow-moving rivers flowing through 100 plus miles of sawgrass prairie into the ocean, and the 3rd largest coral reef in the world, all within a couple hundred miles. Just the difference of a few feet here and there is a completely different ecology, a different system. From the treed hammocks all the way down is only about 15 feet to a coral reef. It's amazing. The Everglades, Biscayne National Park, and Dry Tortugas National Park provide us an opportunity to slow down, to look closer. We have just a small area in the country where we have these creatures that exist in the Everglades, and that's where they are allowed to be what they should be. That's where they're allowed to move the way they should move. And it's a treasure. My name is Nathaniel Dodge, and I'm a guide for Off the Beaten Path.